What's going on, my fellow fishaholic friends? My name is Glenn, and today I think I'm just going to go out and chase some nice stalker trout because those are always fun videos to make. Today I'm rocking the Pike Addicted Angler, Fishaholic, and the Addicted Angler lid. Anyways, see you guys when I'm out there. Hopefully we can put some big old rainbows on the shore if it's not too busy out there, and only using artificials, no worms, just plastics. See you when I'm on the dock. Ka pow! Alright guys, I'm here at the dollar store. Let me turn here. We got a good selection of stuff here. For one thing, these precision cutters here, $5. Ooh, this is what I was catching my pike on just yesterday. $3 for three, $1 a piece. I was catching them on the green ones. Let's get a couple of those. And we're going for stalker trout today. So look at that, last set of cheap spinners. Check your dollar stores, guys. They got some good stuff. Sorry about the wind, guys. It is very windy. Today I'm out at a stock lake or stock pond with my BFS Mansory. This thing chucks around 3-gram lures like nothing. It is an ultralight setup, and I am totally brand new to the BFS. Sorry about the wind, the whole BFS scene, but I can chuck this friggin' 3-gram lure across the friggin' pond, no problem. And I just want to see what it feels like to get a 3-pound rainbow on it. Even against the wind, guys. Even against the wind. 3-pound rainbow is going to be crazy. And it also has, this reel has a clicking drag on it, which is cool. Let's see if we can get something to smoke it. I'm casting against the wind, so keep that in mind. Someone's on the pier I usually like to be on, but we'll see if we can get a rainbow to smoke this and see how it feels on an ultralight. It's probably going to feel like a friggin' whale. Whew, it is windy. Oh, I can, like, that's a, you guys, that's a 3-gram lure, man. And I can chuck it forever. I should be on the, oops, on the other side out of the wind. Got one. I got one. On the ultralight. Just a little guy. This is up really high. I got a net, but I am up very high. Let's see if I can get him to shore out of the dock. Yes, good. Look at that rod bend, guys. Ultralight. I was thinking what a 3-pounder will feel like. This guy is just tiny. Come here, buddy. Here we go. He is in the net. He is so tiny. Little tiny rainbow trout. I'll get this out of his lip here. Put him back in the net, and we're gonna, oops, let's get the friggin' hook out of the net if we can. I want to let this guy go, but my friggin' hook is stuck. There we go. Here he is. The ultralight comes through. Let's let this guy go. Turn over, buddy. Here he goes. That did not take long. So there it is, guys. This is a Mansory, a Seasir Mansory. It's for ultralight, and let me tell you guys, if you're looking for finesse stuff, you need to have very thin diameter of line. You cannot use your normal, what you would normally use for catching fish. You cannot use like 10-pound power braid. It's too thick. It's too thick, and it's not only too thick, it just won't cast little light lures like this. There are absolute tanks in here, so if I get a 3-pounder on, I'm gonna know about it. I'm casting directly into the wind and I'm still getting out 30 meters probably. We made an adjustment over to the other pier and to the chartreuse colored panther doodle. Let's see. Again, I apologize for the wind. We'll get something to smoke this. If not, I'll go back to the white. It is going to be one heck of a fight on this light tackle if I end up hooking into one of the tanks that are in here. Okay, I can just reel super slow and keep that blade turning. Oh, right into the wind, guys, with this little Mansory. I love it, man. Oh, we're on. Feels like a little one. Listen to that drag. Where's my net? Okay. I think he's just a dank. Oh. He knows he's hooked now. I gotta try to get him up here to get him with the friggin' net. I hope you guys can see okay. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. A little bit tough getting him. Got him. And the hook is out. I don't even have to handle this fish, and I'm not going to. We're just gonna let him go, guys. There he is. He's not very big. He's probably a pound. I don't know. He's not very big though. But we are gonna let him go. I am digging this BFS setup, guys. Super light tackle. Let's let this little fella go. Go the other way, buddy. Turn around. We got to get him to turn around here. I got to handle him a bit. There he goes. See ya, buddy. So much fun, guys. Oh, we're on. This one feels a little better, guys. Oh, he's out there jumping. Coming in backwards, what? Oh, there he goes. We are on, boys and girls. On the BFS. Nice fish too. I don't know if I can get him to shore. Yeah, this is a nice fish. Did I snag him? I friggin' snagged him. How does that happen? Fuck, I friggin' snagged this little guy, man. Right in the fin. Weird. That is frigging weird. I have never snagged a trout. Like, never. Oh, he came off. Snagged a friggin'. That is a first for me, guys. I snagged that little guy by his dorsal, by one of his fins. Weird. I don't think they're that thick out there. Oh, I feel bad now for snagging them. Like, as soon as I started reeling, unless he swiped at it and it just caught him lucky. I don't know. Weird. Friggin' weird. Got one. Oh, nice one. This is fat, guys. Oh, I got a big one. I got a big one. This is big. Oh, this is big. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to get this guy to shore if I can. He's right under here. He's big, man. This is a big old rainbow. Oh, stay on. Come here, buddy. He's a biggie. And I gotta be careful because this is really light line. This has gotta be 3 pounds. This has gotta be 3 pounds, guys. Oh boy. This is 3 pounds all day. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, come here, man. Shit. We got him. We got him. That is a nice rainbow. All right, buddy. We're gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. As soon as I see where the heck, what you got going on here. There we go. I'm trying to get it out, buddy. Trying to get it out. We're getting it out. We're getting it out. That is a big old rainbow. A little bit of blood, but I want to let him go nice. I caught him on the BFS, guys. Bait finesse. Get him in the water here. All right. Let's let him go. See you, buddy. He was bleeding a bit, but he took off strong. Nice! Well, guys, this adventure is a wrap for the addicted angler. Nobody else would be out fishing in 40K gusts, but there I am. The whole point of the video, though, was to show off the bait finesse fishing. I have never, it's from, the reel's from Seasir, and it's called a Mansory, and it's designed to use ultra thin, light line and chuck around ultra light lures. I just caught a 3 pound rainbow on a dollar store 3 gram spinner. And I could chuck it 50 yards, and I was chucking it 30 yards against the wind. So I got a new favorite thing, man. Bait casting with a BFS. You guys let me know in the comments if you want to see some more BFS stuff. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And hopefully the audio's not so blown out on this video that I can't even make a video. It's going to be a couple days before my next video, but yeah, you guys will be there. See you on the next one. Ka!